15th February 2022 current affairs. First point is ISRO successfully launched Earth observation satellite, that is EOS 0.4 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. Agriculture Products Export Development Authority APEDA APEDA stand for Agricultural Products Export Development Authority celebrated its 36th Foundations Day this year. Ministry of Defense signed a deal with Bengaluru firms to develop pseudo-satellites. Axis Bank Limited set to acquire Citigroup Inc. India to about $2.5 billion. Next, Jammu and Kashmir's governor launched QR code-based mechanisms for certifications. Next, Madhya Pradesh Central Jail get its own FM radio channels. Next, RBL Bank partners with Creditas Solutions. RBL Bank partners with Creditas Solutions for its new collections platforms. Okay, RBL Banks partners with Creditas Solutions for its new collections platforms. Next, Israel became the first country to allow drone flights in civilian airspace. Israel becomes the first country to allow drone flights in civilian airspace. Frank-Walter Steinmeier, FRANKWALTER Frank-Walter Steinmeier, elected for second 5-year terms as Germany's president. International Epilepsy Day celebrated on second Monday of February, and this year we celebrated this on 14th of February. Next, Anti-Smuggling Day 2022 say observed on 11th February, and this day, that is Anti-Smuggling Day, launched by FICCI Cascade, CASCADE Cascade, FICCI Cascade. Maharashtra's Health Minister Rajesh Tope launched Hope Express to prevent cancers. Okay. Next, 17th editions of Mumbai International Film Festival to be held from 29th May to 4th June 2022. A hackathon named Sainy Ranakshetram conducted by Indian Army. Conducted by Indian Army. Next, RBL Banks partners with Creditas Solutions. RBL Bank partners with Creditas Solutions for its new collections platforms. Okay. Next, Bank of Baroda will acquire Union Bank of India's 21% stake in India First Life Insurance Company. Okay. The stake of Union Bank of India, which is have the India First Life Insurance Company, from that the 21% of that stakes acquired by Bank of Baroda. Okay, Bank of Baroda will acquire Union Bank of India's 21% stakes in India First Life Insurance Company. Next, Saint Gobain India signed MOU with IIT Madras Research Park to develop a 100% renewable energy research park. Next, veteran environmentalist Ravi Chopra resigned from chairman of Supreme Court's high-powered committee on Char Dham projects. Okay. Next, Devashish Mitra becomes the new president of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for 2022-23. Next, government approved continuations of modernizations of state police schemes. Government of India approves continuations of modernizations of state police forces schemes. Next, Paul Henry Santiago Damiba named as the interim president of Burkina Faso. Indian Air Force reached with a light combat aircraft, that is Tejas, at Changi International Airport, Singapore, to participate in Singapore Air Show 2022. Okay, next, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched first color souvenir coin on Panchatantra. Okay, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launches first color souvenir coin on Panchatantra. Next, India target to replace diesel with renewable energy in agriculture by 2024. Next, One Ocean Summit 2022 organized at Brest City of France in cooperation with United Nations and World Bank, and it set goals to map 80% seabed by 2030. It set goals to map 80% seabeds by 2030. Okay, thank you.